Today I'm sharing 15 game-changing ways to save time getting ready, to improve your style, and to do so fast, because we all need to save time, right? The best part is that almost all of these on this list are absolutely free, and make sure you stick through to the end because number 11 happens to be one of my favorites. We're starting things off with overnight curls because there is a chance that you've seen it and you heard it, but you actually haven't tried it. I'm here to tell you that you really need to give it a go. This just totally works, and this has changed the game for me, especially if you are looking for a soft wave, or maybe you just hate curling your hair in the morning and you just want to do something a little bit quicker. You don't have to do these overnight. I wore these overnight the first time I tried them, and I ended up with like really tight curls, which is not really what I wanted or what I was looking for. Instead, what you can do is just pop them in while you're doing your makeup. You just want to spritz your hair a little bit, get it a little bit wet. This will cut your time in half. You won't have to do your makeup and then do your hair. It's going to be setting while you're doing your makeup. Another one of my favorite hair hacks, which I can't even believe has been trending on TikTok, like this is some new thing because I've been doing this for so many years, is to just do a bang wash. It's just washing the crown of your hair. I've seen some people comment that this is totally gross. Listen, sometimes we just don't have the time or the energy to do like a full-on blowout, and you're in a pinch and you just need to freshen up a little bit. So you're just gonna wanna section off the top of your hair or the crown or your bang, shampoo and dry it in the sink. You can do it in the bathtub. You can have someone help you with it, and it'll instantly refresh your hair. You don't have to do the whole thing. You get rid of all the oil and the residue, and I'm telling you, it'll help your blowout last an extra day or two. The great thing about the style hack is it takes literally less than 15 minutes, and I end up with hair that looks and feels totally refreshed without having to do the whole thing. The next time-saving style hack is to simply learn to multitask. Now, this might look like what I mentioned earlier, putting in your robe curls while you're doing your makeup, or maybe you're using your hot rollers while you're doing your makeup, just finding ways to multitask your getting ready process. Something else I like to do is if you have a smaller bathroom, you can put your clothes in there while you're taking a bath and help it steam, so that then you can save time not having to steam or iron it later. My current favorite ways to save time while getting ready that I've been obsessed with and talking so much about are these press-on false lashes. I am so into them. Listen, if you're not good at press-on lashes, I'm not either. These are so easy to do. Mascara easily eats up the bulk of my getting ready routine, so I don't have to do that every day. Saves me so much time. The thing is that even though they're supposed to last a minimum of 24 hours, I can easily get a solid week out of them, which means I can head out the door in the morning with like no makeup on if I don't need to, and my lashes, and I look more awake. I can simply swipe on a little bit of concealer and maybe some tinted sunscreen, lip gloss, and I'm basically good to go. So I don't use these on a weekly basis right now, but I use them if I have like a lot of events on my calendar that week, if I'm traveling, especially if I'm traveling or if I'm going on a beach vacation, because nobody wants to be at the beach in the pool and you have mascara, you want to look put together. It's like a whole thing. Not to mention when I'm traveling, I don't like to make like everybody wait for me while I have to get ready and spend 10 minutes doing my mascara. The great thing is that these are so affordable. They're less than $10 a pack, so you're really getting your money's worth, and they're way less expensive than lash extensions. Trust me, if I can do them, you can do them too. I don't know about you, but I do not love ironing and steaming. It's literally the worst. So anything I can do to refresh my clothes without actually having to do that saves me so much time. One of my go-to tips if I don't want to iron or steam is I literally just toss it back in the dryer for a little bit and refresh it. 9 times out of 10, this does work, and I don't end up needing to iron it at all. If that doesn't work, you can also try wrinkle release spray. My husband is a really big fan of this spray because he also won't iron or steam, and he uses this on his button downs, and it actually does a pretty good job. So if you haven't tried this, then I definitely recommend giving it a go. Next tip will definitely save you a ton of time, and that's simply planning your outfit the night before. Just ask my 6-year-old for evidence of all the meltdowns that it saves us in this house. I don't actually go to work on a daily basis, and I like to kind of go with the flow, but if I have some kind of event on my calendar, let's say a happy hour with a friend or just some kind of social thing in town, then yeah, you better believe that I am planning my outfit in advance, because 9 times out of 10, if I don't plan my outfit in advance and I don't have at least some idea of what I'm gonna wear, I end up being late. I end up with clothes all over the house because I'm trying to figure out what to wear last minute. If you've been there, I'm sure that you know, and it's just, you know, I end up being late. So do yourself a favor, save some time, and just plan your outfits ahead of time. Wearing a one-piece outfit like a dress or a jumpsuit is another mega time saver. There's literally no need to reinvent the wheel or to be looking like, what top should I wear with a skirt, or what to wear with these bottoms, and do I need to layer jackets and all this thing. You literally have a one and done outfit and you're good to go. All you have to worry about is anything at that point, like what you are going to accessorize with, and that's it. It's like no fuss, no muss, you look good and you're out the door. Speaking of easy outfit ideas, let's not forget about matching sets. Thank goodness they're still having a moment because I love a good matching set. And there are some dressy ones too. I know when we think matching sets, a lot of us think of loungewear, but there's tons of cute top and skirts that just go together like a dress or a jumpsuit, and you don't even have to worry about coordinating it again, or if it looks right, or just questioning like how to actually put the outfit together because it's cute and it's done and it's put together for you. Another way to save time with your style is to consider having a color palette in your wardrobe. I know some people think that this is restrictive or maybe a little boring, but to me it actually has the opposite effect, because when you have a color palette to work from, you're actually able to kind of like mix and match pieces in your wardrobe a lot more efficiently and be more creative because everything goes well together. Try it and see how much easier it is to put together outfits and get dressed in the morning. Speaking of your closet, if you haven't yet, it's time to declutter your closet, because a cluttered closet means it's going to suck to find an outfit to wear when you're in there and you literally can't find anything because it's all in complete disarray. Last thing you want is to go in and try to find something to wear and it's totally overwhelming and a big mess. I do have a video that helps you kind of declutter your closet the right way. I will link it up here and down below for you. Now, decluttering is not the same as organizing. So once you're done with your actual decluttering, you still need to actually organize your closet. And this is also going to be a huge style time saver because you're going to know where everything is. The way you organize it may come down to personal preference. I prefer to have things somewhat arranged by color and then also by style. This way I can easily see at a glance what I'm looking for. So you step into your closet, you don't have like a white shirt here and a white shirt there and one down there. Like they're all arranged together so you can quickly grab something. You go to like that specific section and you know, okay, my blouses are over here or my sweaters are over here, and you grab it and you're good to go. It's going to save you a ton of time and stress. An essential style tip that I think everybody needs to embrace is just to simply become an outfit repeater. Now, I'm gonna blame social media for this because people think that you can't repeat an outfit, but I mean, it's insane. Like, I wear the same stuff all the time. Why wouldn't I? Everybody wears their clothing on a regular basis. If you have a particular outfit that you love, that is put together and makes you feel good, by all means, repeat it. You don't need to go ahead and reinvent the wheel every time and waste precious time trying to come up with another like brilliant outfit idea. If you like it, wear it again. Take a selfie, maybe add it to a folder on your phone of like cute outfits that you can recreate again. And then when you're in a funk and you don't know what to wear, you can literally just reference the folder and be like, oh yeah, I did like that, and rewear that outfit. This next tip is probably one of my favorites on this list to save time, and that's just to have like a go-to default outfit. Like you have a specific type of occasion and you know that when you don't know what to wear, you wear this type of outfit to that occasion. So for example, I have this casual black jumpsuit I got recently. I actually just shared this in a previous video. It's just like a perfect casual jumpsuit that I know that I can reach to when I'm in a pinch. I wore it to a kid's birthday party, and next time I have another kid's birthday party, I'll probably rewear it. If I don't know what to wear, I'll just grab the black jumpsuit because I already know it works. Maybe for you, that's like a girls' night outfit. So you have, maybe you always wear like a blazer and jeans and a tank top, and that's what you wear for your girls' dinners. And you just know, okay, if you don't have something new or you don't know what to wear, then you grab your default uniform. And that's great. It works. Again, we don't have to like reinvent the wheel here. It basically becomes like the workhorse in your wardrobe. Having a default piece or default uniform for a specific event has just really been a game changer for me. And in my opinion, I've been doing this for many, many years. It just saves so much time and so much headache when you have like the mental capacity to look for something new, or maybe you don't want to spend money and buy something new. You know that you have your trusty piece in your wardrobe, and that's what works. I have a bonus to share with you, which I wasn't planning on including in this video, and then I'm like, yeah, you know what? This is a huge time-saving hack. If you are a fan of hair extensions, then halo hair extensions are an excellent way to go, and they save so much time. They literally take less than 1 minute to pop in. The great thing is that once you curl them or you style them, you don't necessarily have to like restyle them all the time. They tend to hold the style pretty well. So you're literally popping in your hair already good to go, already curled, and you might have to touch it up again And that's it. It's so, so easy, much quicker than clip-in extensions. A great way to save time when you're getting ready, and one of my favorite style hacks. Speaking of style hacks, I have a list of the best style hacks that everybody needs to know, and I will see you over there next. Bye.